Every time we go to cocktail parties, we meet new neighbors and friends, and inevitably I go up and say, hey, what do you do for a living? And somebody explains their business and their company, and I'll come back to my wife and she'll say, that's great. I see you met John. What does John do for a living? And I'm going to say, John works for the Merriam Company. And then my wife will say, hey, what does the Merriam Company do? And I'll say, I have no idea whatsoever. Articulating your value proposition for your industry is critically important. Every sales conversation anybody in your business has with a prospect or a client involves the value proposition. Technologists or folks in a deep technical industry, stop with the technobabble. Actually explain your value proposition using these three elements. In plain English, explain what do you do, very simply. Then explain how customers or why customers engage you. So what do you do for a client? And the way to explain that is to say clients engage us when. And then finally, the third element of the value proposition is what's unique and different about you guys, given the hundreds of other options in most marketplaces. And you say, we're unique and different because. At In the Funnel, we're a group of sales coaches and consultants, and we help companies sell better. Companies engage us when revenue growth is stagnated, or the sales team's not meeting their potential, or they want to rebuild their sales program for the coming year. We're unique and different in our marketplace because all of our coaches are experienced sales leaders, and every concept we teach on provides a tool or a process. That's why we're unique and different.